Dropship.io versus DropshippingXL in-depth comparison. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, we'll compare two the most popular dropshipping platforms on the market. Both platforms offer a range of different features and services to help us to sell products online. If you want to use them, you can just simply find the links in the description, best conditions to join, free trials, best prices. However, there are also some key differences between two of these platforms. So today we are going to compare them according to their features, prices, unique features, pros and cons. So at the end of this video, you'll know exactly which platform is right for you. Dropship.io is a cloud-based platform that allows you to connect with a network of suppliers and sell products from their catalogs. DropshippingXL is a web-based platform that provides you with access to a database of trending products. So Dropship.io is designed for both beginner and experienced dropshippers. The platform is easy to use and offers a range of features that make it a good choice for those who are just getting started. DropshippingXL is a good choice for beginners dropshippers, but it's also popular with experienced dropshippers who are looking for new products to sell. So let's talk about the features. Dropship.io offers a range of features including product catalog with over 1 million products, supplier directory with over 100 suppliers, order fulfillment and tracking, and customer support. DropshippingXL offers a range of features including database of trending products, product research tool, supplier directory, order fulfillment and tracking, and customer support. But let's now talk about the unique features. For example, Dropship.io offers a few unique features that set it apart from its competitors. These features include automatic order fulfillment. So basically it automates the order fulfillment process, so you don't have to worry about manually processing orders. Product sourcing, product sourcing tool helps you to find products that are trending and in demand. And supplier management tool helps to manage relationships between suppliers. And what about DropshippingXL? Like in one-click import for DropshippingXL allows you to import products from AliExpress to your store with just one click. Catalog profit, profit calculator. DropshippingXL profit calculator helps you calculate your profit margins on each product. And bulk order discount. DropshippingXL offers bulk order discounts on many of its products. Let's now talk about their prices. They have like free trials, but also we can find the basically differences. On DropshippingXL we have the only one plan, 30 euros per month, and on Dropship.io there are like 3 plans. So let's talk about the pros and cons. On Dropship.io it's definitely easy to use, range of features, good customer support, but it can be expensive, not as many products as some other platforms. For DropshippingXL, it's affordable, easy to use, good customer support, but not as many features as some other platforms. So what can we say in conclusion? In conclusion, we could say that these are both good dropshipping platforms. Dropship.io is a good choice for those who are looking for an easy-to-use platform with a range of features. DropshippingXL is a good choice for those who are looking for an affordable platform and that is easy to use. So of course, your solution will be like on your individual needs and preferences, but who should use it? Basically, Dropship.io is a particularly good choice for beginners. It's easy to use and offers a range of features, and Dropship.XL is a good choice for both beginners and experienced dropshippers. So if you want to use them, find the links in the description, use them and get the best possible conditions. Hope this video helped you out. Leave a like, subscribe. Goodbye.